Want to change your Roblox display name on Android for free? No Robux needed. I'll show you exactly how. Let's jump in. First, open the Roblox app on your device and tap the three-line bar at the top. Now tap Settings. After that, tap Account Info. Now tap the edit icon next to your display name. Then type your new display name. After that, tap Save. No Robux needed. Your new display name will show in games, chats, and your profile. Your username stays the same in the background. That's how you change your display name in Roblox. If this helped, like the video, subscribe for more Roblox tips, and comment if you want cool display name ideas. Thanks for watching.